I want to show off two patio heaters here. Both of these are made by the same company called East Oak. You've got the East Oak pyramid shaped patio heater, and then this one is the round table design. You can see the round versus the pyramid. I want to turn both of these on in this video. I've just got one propane tank, so I'm gonna have to disconnect one and hook the other one up. Before I do that, both of these are rated at 48,000 BTUs. The pyramid one of the things cool about it is this glass tube and the way it looks when it's lit up. They advertise the pyramid one to heat a 10 feet diameter area, when the round one, they advertise it at 18 feet diameter. So both of them putting out some serious heat. Again, they got a different look, a different style to them. Both of these I'm going to hook up to a 20-gallon propane tank. Both of them have wheels to make them easy to maneuver around, which is great. Both of them have a safety feature where if they tilt at a 45-degree angle or more, they're going to automatically shut themselves off. And both of them are easy to light, which is one of the things I like about it. All you got to do to light it, you're going to push this down and turn it to the on position while holding it down, and then just press the igniter and it lights right up. Once I've got it lit, I can adjust the heat from high or low just by twisting a knob, and then of course just going to turn it to off. But these things heat up very, very quickly. You can see the red around the top. Again, I kind of like the look of it, to be honest with you, and the glow, and certainly enjoy the heat on a cool evening. So got that one up and running. What I'm going to do is shut that one off, disconnect the propane tank. One of the things that's good too is that they do have a hole in the design there where I can reach in there and turn the propane tank off, but this barrel area will lift up there so I can get access to the propane tank as well. But if I just need to turn the propane off, I can just reach my hand through the hole. All right, got it running full blast. It goes and it heats up very quickly. So let's turn this one off, push it in and turn the knob to off, and it's going to shut itself off there. I'll turn my propane tank off here. Again, I can reach inside here to do that. When I'm switching out the propane tank, and this thing will raise up, give me access to the propane tank. So let me disconnect that, and I will hook it up on the other one and we'll test it out. All right, now I'm over to the pyramid one, and you'll see three sides of it are screwed on, held on with screws, but one side has this handle there, East Oak, and it just pops off there to give you access to install the propane tank and also where you can ignite it. Got my propane turned on here. All right, to light this one, we're going to turn the gas all the way on, and this is your igniter button. So I'm going to put this to push this down and turn to pilot, hold it down, and press the igniter. And you see the small flame there, and then as I turn the knob, then boom. So this one obviously has this cool look to it. Again, this can fit back over here, and you see the flame, and it can be adjusted. Personally, just feeling of them, I would give a slight edge in the heat to the round one. But again, if you like the look of this one, having the fire come up through the tube, then that's pretty cool, I'll have to say. So got the cool look and definitely putting out some heat, but even more heat. Just me standing here. They're both rated 48,000 BTUs, but just standing here beside them, felt like we were getting a little bit more heat out of this one. But this one's got that cool look. Hope this video is helpful, give you a side-by-side comparison. Two pretty cool patio